Welcome back to Learn English Moments. Don't forget to subscribe and join us every day to practice English with real-life conversations. Today is day 16, and we'll talk about travel, sharing experiences, useful tips, and common travel expressions. Let's begin.
So, tell me, are you more of a beach person or a mountain person when it comes to travel?
That's a tough choice. I'd say I'm more of a beach person. I love the sound of the waves, the sand, and the feeling of relaxation. How about you?
I think I'm more into mountains. Hiking gives me a sense of adventure, and the views from the top are always worth the effort.
True, mountain views are breathtaking, but for me, nothing beats lying under the sun with a good book.
Fair enough. By the way, what's the most memorable trip you've ever taken?
That has to be my trip to Japan. It was spring, so I got to see the cherry blossoms in full bloom. Walking under those pink trees felt magical.
That sounds amazing. My most memorable trip was to Italy. Visiting Rome and standing in front of the Colosseum gave me chills. It felt like stepping back in time.
Oh, I would love to go there one day. Did you try Italian food while you were there?
Of course, pizza, pasta, gelato. I think I gained a few kilograms during that trip, but it was worth it.
Food is always part of the travel experience. For me, the food highlight was in Vietnam. I had authentic pho for breakfast, and it was so flavorful.
Yum. I've heard Vietnamese coffee is also very strong and sweet. Did you try it?
Yes, and I loved it. I even brought some back home.
That's the best thing about travel. You get to bring a piece of another culture back with you.
Speaking of travel, have you ever faced any problems during a trip?
Oh, yes. Once my luggage didn't arrive with my flight. I had to spend 2 days in Spain with only my carry-on bag.
That must have been stressful. What did you do?
Luckily, I had packed some essentials, clothes, toiletries, and a charger in my carry-on. So my advice is always pack smart.
Great tip. I once had a 12-hour flight delay in Singapore. At first, I was upset, but then I met another traveler. We talked, shared food, and actually became good friends.
See, sometimes problems lead to unexpected experiences. That's part of the adventure. Useful travel expressions.
Let's share some useful expressions travelers can use. For example, excuse me, could you please show me the way to...
Good one. Another is, how much does this cost? Perfect for shopping in markets.
Or when you're on a bus or train, you can say, is this seat taken?
Yes, and when you're hungry, could I have the menu, please?
I also love asking locals, can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? That's how I always find hidden gems.
Exactly. Locals always know the best spots. Cultural experiences.
Have you ever experienced culture shock while traveling?
Definitely. In Morocco, I was surprised by how lively the markets were. The sounds, the smells, the colors. It was overwhelming at first, but fascinating.
For me, it was in India. The traffic was so different, chaotic, but somehow it worked. It really opened my eyes to how diverse the world is.
That's why I think travel makes you more open-minded. You learn to respect other cultures.
Well said. Travel teaches patience, flexibility, and curiosity.
Travel tips.
If you could give one travel tip to beginners, what would it be?
Mine would be always keep digital copies of your passport and important documents. You never know when you might need them.
Great advice. Mine would be download offline maps. Internet is not always available and you don't want to get lost.
Another one is learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Even just hello and thank you can make a huge difference.
Totally agree. Locals appreciate the effort and it makes you feel more connected.
Dream destinations.
Let's talk about bucket lists. What's your dream destination?
Iceland. I really want to see the Northern Lights. What about you?
Egypt. I've always dreamed of standing in front of the pyramids.
Oh, that would be incredible. Travel keeps us dreaming, doesn't it?
Yes, even if we can't go everywhere, just having those dreams motivates us.
So, listeners, what's your most unforgettable travel experience? Share it in the comments below.
And don't forget to subscribe to Learn English Moments for more daily English conversations. See you tomorrow for day 17.